soft day through the pines. It carves its way, dusty boots and wheels that hum. A journey starts, the miles succumb. River whispers soft and low. It winds along the paths I go. Fields of gold and skies so wide. The open road's my only guide. High on these roads, the world feels near. Every turn's a song crystal clear. Step by step,